To do an increase stitch, you work 2 stitches into a stitch. Unless the pattern says otherwise, you should assume that you do the default, which is 2 single crochet stitches. So to start, as you would with a single crochet stitch, you insert your yarn under both loops, under the V, and then you yarn over and pull your yarn through the stitch. You're going to yarn over and pull through both loops on the hook. This is a single crochet stitch. Now do it again. Insert your hook into the very same stitch you did before. Yarn over, pull the yarn through the stitch. Then yarn over and pull through both loops on your hook. And that is an increase stitch.